If you're heading to Istanbul, there is one thing you definitely need to know about. The Istanbul Card. It's a widely used prepaid travel card that gives you access to all forms of public transport. You can use it on metros, trams, buses, ferries, cable cars and on the Marmaray, which runs under the Bosphorus. It can also be used to access many public restrooms located around the city. It is available at yellow-blue ticket machines in metro and tram stations, ferry terminals, and major bus stops. The card has a one-time purchase fee, separate from the balance you load. Important. Don't go to machines with a sign that says, Istanbul Welcome Card is sold here. This is a different type of card and not the same as Istanbulkart. It's very important you go to the right machine. To buy your card, go to a yellow ticket machine and change the language if needed. Then select, Buy Istanbulkart and insert your payment. The machine will print your card right away, you don't need to activate it, and once you have it, you can add money at the same machine or any other top-up point. To add money to your card, place it on the reader at a ticket machine. Insert cash and wait for the balance to appear on the screen. Once the balance is updated, the card is ready to use. To use Istanbulkart, tap it on the reader when boarding public transport. The fare is automatically deducted from your balance. Discounted fares apply when transferring between different vehicles. Each person must tap separately, even if using the same card. The Istanbulkart is not refundable, and any remaining balance remains on the card. However, on distance-based lines like Marmaray, if you travel a shorter distance, the unused part of the fare is automatically returned to your card. To receive this refund, you need to tap your card again at the refund machines after exiting the train. It's best to top up small amounts and add more only when needed. For short trips, load enough for 1 or 2 days, then top up again if necessary. This way, you avoid leaving unused money on your card when you leave Istanbul. Istanbulkart can be used on public transport to the airport, including metro and buses. With an Istanbulkart, a single journey on most public transport costs around 70 cents to €1.05, which is roughly 75 cents to $1.15, depending on the type of transport and distance. Longer routes, such as Marmaray, can cost a bit more, but transfer discounts apply when you change vehicles within a short time window. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and share it with your fellow traveler. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides like this one. Safe travels and see you in the next video.